Good morning, student. Welcome back in computer class. First of all, write there C.W day and date. Today we are learning about the chapter number 3, storage device. In the previous class, we are learning about the input device and output device. Input device means we can give data and instruction and information to the computer with the help of input devices, and output devices, whatever your instruction and information gives the data, you can see that as a output. Now the time for storage device. Whatever you are working or give the information to the computer, that's stored in storage device. One day while Ida was keeping her book in the bookshelf, a question popped in her mind. That question is, we keep our cloth in almari and we keep our books in bookshelf. But where does the computer keep all the data, information and instruction in? The answer is simple enough. The computer has special devices to store data and instructions permanently. These are called storage devices. There are many types of storage devices. Hard disks, compact disks, floppy disks, digital video disks, Blu-ray disks, pen drive. Hard disks. The hard disk is the most important storage device in the computer. It is store all the data and information used by the input devices and output devices. Hard disk is the most important device in our computer. It can store all amount of data, all the instruction, all the information used by our input devices and output devices. It is also store our software. The hard disk is fitted inside the CPU cabinet of the desktop computer. Has a rectangular casing. You can store a large amount of data on the hard disk. The hard disk is fitted inside the CPU cabinet and you can store large amount of data on the hard disk. Compact disk. The compact disk is a shiny circular disk. It can store large amount of data but less than hard disk. You must have seen audio, videos, CDs. Similarly, you can store the data in CDs, such as compact discs are called the data CDs. You can see the shiny circular disc. It is called CD. It is store large amount of data but less than the hard disk. You can store audio, video on the CDs. Earlier history, James T. Rochelle is known as the inventor of first CD. It is said to be developed in 1916. Floppy disk. A floppy disk is another storage device. It is a very rarely used these days. It is thin disk placed inside a thin plastic case. A generally floppy disk can store only a small amount of data. On this day, we have to store large amount of data. But the floppy disk is stored very small amount of data. That's why it is used very rarely. Handling storage devices. All computer stored devices are free. You must handle them with care. Since the hard disk is fitted inside the CPU cabinet, it doesn't need any care from you outside or directly. The CD and floppy disks being the external storage device that needs carefully handling. Hard disk is fitted inside the CPU cabinet. That's why we don't need to use extra care. But CDs and floppy disks being very external storage device, that's what we have to be keep very carefully. Handling CDs, DVD, Blu-rays. Always keep CDs in cover or box. Keep your CDs safer and scratch free. ऑलवेज होल्ड द सीरीज फ्रॉम आउटर एज, हमेशा हमारी सीरीज को हमें आउटर एज से पकड़नी है, उसे स्क्रैच फ्री रखना है और सीरीज को हमें हमेशा कवर में या उसके बॉक्स में ही रखना है। अर्लियर फ्लॉपी डिस्क वेयर 8 and 5/4 inches in a size. On these days, we are seeing 3.5 inches floppy disks. Coming to the handling floppies. Always keep floppies in cover or a box. Always hold floppy from outer edge. Do not touch the metal shutter. If the metal shutter is broke or bent, do not use the discs. Apart from previously mentioned storage devices, these are many more kind in the market these days. DVD, a digital video disc. What is the full form of DVD? Digital video disc. It is a removable disc. It is a reassembled CDs. However, it stores much more data, almost 12 times data than CD. CD से 12 more time data हमारा DVD store कर सकता है. It is most commonly used for storing videos or movies. Most commonly it is used for storing videos and movies. Blu-ray disc. A look like CD. A CD look like Blu-ray disc हमारी CD की जैसी दिखती है, but ये हमारे CD से 17 more time डाटा स्टोर करके रख सकती है. Flash drive, that means pen drive, a smaller, lightable, removable, convenient disk. You can write and rewrite on it easily. It is generally used for transfer of data from one computer to another computer. Flash drive is used for very convenient because it is very small, lightable and convenient to handle and storing large amount of data. Drives. A drive is a special slot in the computer system which is needed for a disk to run. Each type of disk has its own kind of drive. For example, a FFD, that means floppy disk drive. Read and write a floppy disk. CD, DVDs and Blu-ray work in ODD, optical disc drive. ODDs mainly use laser light to read or write the data on disks. Pen drive used for USB plot. पेन ड्राइव हमारे कहाँ से यूज़ होते हैं? हमारे कंप्यूटर में पोर्ट्स होते हैं जहाँ हमारे सीडीज और डीवीडीज यूज़ होती है. हमारा पेन ड्राइव यूज़ होता है. सीडी, डीवीडी, फ्लॉपी डिस्क, ब्लू-रे डिस्क, ये सारी चीज़ें हमारी कहाँ यूज़ होती हैं? ओडीडी मतलब ऑप्टिकल डिस्क ड्राइव में. और ओडीडी हमारा मेनली यूज़ होता है लेज़र लाइट से डाटा को रीड और राइट करने के लिए. और ड्राइव मीन्स हमारे स्पेशल स्लॉट होते हैं जहाँ हमारी सीडी को हम डाल सकते हैं. आपने देखा होगा कि बाहर से हम उसको प्लग करते हैं, हमारी एक प्लेट हमारे सामने आती है, उसमें हमारी सीडी डीवीडी आप रखो और वो बटन को जस्ट क्लिक करो, वो अंदर जाती है और वो हमारे सीपीयू में होती है.